the great thing about the reseller program is it's not binary. You don't have to be a reseller and be completely hands-on keyboard out of the gate, or work with WBX on a completely managed service basis. If you have the intention of bringing media in-house, you have teams that can be hands-on keyboard, buying media, activating that media. We're there to help that. And through the reseller program, that really manifests itself in two ways. One is we can start off, we can help set up campaigns, be more tactical, be more hands-on keyboard until you're ready to transition things in-house. And then we train your teams in order to pull the levers, the right strategies to implement, take over from a lot of the management that we've put in place. We also have options where if your teams are equipped out of the gate, you can start buying media the day after we train you. We provide a robust training program and support in order to make sure that as you're activating campaigns, you're doing it in the right way to align with the goals that you have. And then we also have another option, which is full managed services. If you're not ready to bring things in-house, you want experts who are running campaigns day in and day out across different verticals. That's where our team internally of expert media buyers can be of assistance and take everything off your plate. So really, if you're ready to bring campaign management in-house, we have a couple options there that can align to a path to you becoming a reseller. But even if you don't have teams who are ready for that, we also have more managed service options as well.